In the twilight, shadows stretch and sigh. The iron bird's wings cut through the bushing sky. Radiant metal glints, we race ahead like fire. My heart sees the fear, but we soar higher and higher. Through mountain passes where the eagles cry, we dance for jets, we paint the sky. This is the flight of the iron bird, slicing through clouds, freedom's not absurd. Engines roaring, electrifying the night. In the heart of the storm we find our might, our might. Missiles launched with precision they fly. Through the thunderous roar, hear the battle cry. A deadly battle cleanse, we race ahead like thought. An orchestra of chaos, all wrapped in love. Through mountain passes where the eagles cry, we dance with jets, we paint the sky. This is the